Hi friends, good to see you all back in this interesting video. In this video, we will start learning about the electrical basics. We'll learn the basic in detail so that this understanding will help us to learn the electrical in a better way. So in this video, we will see voltage, current, power, phases, which is single and three phase. In continuity, we will see neutral, earthing, resistance, and electric shock, everything. Come, let us get into the subject. Come, let us see the first basic electrical, which is voltage. To make you understand clearly and very easily, you can compare voltage with the road or tunnel. Voltage is nothing but similar to a road, the base for which on which the current will travel. If the road is not good, obviously the vehicle can't travel. Similarly, any interruption in the voltage will have an impact on the current flow. So voltage is the base for current to travel. So voltage is a prefixed and a constant. Any changes in the voltage will have impact on the current flow and it will interrupt the equipment device functions. Voltage will always have two different points, lower and higher points. You can compare with the road, the start point, end point, similar to that. Voltage is measured in volt. In the engineering language, we are having a units to measure everything. If you want to measure any weight, it will be in kilogram. If you want to measure anything, which will any liquid, which will be in liters. Similarly, the voltage will be measured in volt. This voltage can be increase or decrease, can be increased and decreased by using transformer. First, you understand only these basics of voltage. When I am going further, you can able to understand still more clear about all the parameters. Just see the image shown. A car and a bike is shown for a tunnel as well as in the road. The road remains same. Similarly, the voltage remains same. Depends upon the vehicle how the consumption will be more, whether it will be on fuel. Similarly, depends upon the connecting equipments, the current consumption will increase or decrease. For example, if a light is connected to a 230 volt and the mixer grinder is connected to a 230 volt, the current consumption for mixer grinder will be more than the light. The reason the current draw by the light fittings will be lesser than the current draw by the mixer grinder. The example I am giving and I am trying to explain such a way that you can able to relate and understand easier. So the voltage and current both can be measured by using multimeter and the current is measured by amps. So if there is no voltage, obviously there won't be no current flow. So voltage is the base for current to flow. Even if you didn't understand, in the upcoming slides, I will make you still more clear on these basic concepts. Let us see the next basic of electrical, which is power. Power is measured in watts. How? For example, if we need to achieve 100 miles per hour, how the road and the vehicle both support each other to achieve. Similarly, power is the product of voltage and the current. So 1000 watts per hour is 1 unit. In other way, we can call as a kilowatt hour. 1000 watts is 1 kilowatt. All the equipments are designed, all the equipments in India are designed to function with 230 volt and 415 volt for domestic as well as industrial purpose. There are few special cases designed with very high voltage that we will see later. As of now, if you are familiarized with voltage, current and power, I think further you can be easy to understand about electrical in the upcoming videos. Next, we will move on to the phases, single phase and three phase. The next basic on electrical is single phase and three phase. So many people will confuse themselves why it is called single phase, why it is three phase, what is the difference between single phase and three phase. So single phase is a 230 volt, three phase is a 415 volt. Three single phase connection together called three phase. In single phase, we will measure the volt difference between neutral to phase. Whereas in three phase, we will mention from phase to phase. That is the reason we have 415 volt. In the three phase, you will have three different color R, Y, B, and black is the neutral. R, Y, B is the phase and black is the neutral. If you see the difference between R to black or Y to black or blue to black, you will get only 230 volt. But if you see the potential difference between R to Y or Y to blue or blue to yellow, any two phases, you will get 415 volt. This is the difference. Whereas in single phase, you will have only one reference which is neutral. So phase to neutral will be only 230 volt. Hope this understand. You can see a road example again. In a single phase, you are having only one road. Whereas in three phase, you are having three lanes in a single road with three lanes. Similarly, so in single phase, you will have two wire system, one wire for neutral, another one wire for phase. Whereas in three phase, you will have two different wire system. One is three wire system, another one is four wire system. Three wire system will have only phases R, Y, B, and four wire system will have R, Y, B and neutral. RYB indicates the color of the phases. We will see in detail where we are using three wire system, where we are using four wire system and why it is used. Now don't get involved in those things, so it will make you to confuse. So we will see in the next video. Now we will go the basic details where single phase is used in domestic, all the residential, all the schools, colleges, everywhere. It is for domestic use. Three phase is for industrial usage. Single phase, up to 5 kilowatt you can manage with single phase. More than 5 kilowatt you need three phase connection. Though we need to learn lot of things in the electrical, so we will go slowly and we will go in detail so that you will not get confused while you understand while you are getting into the bigger concepts of electrical. As you all aware, electrical is a very vast subject, so we will go gradually step by step. So we will see the other basic electrical in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope it is useful to you. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. And if you have any doubts or any clarification, please comment, so I will reply on that. We'll see you in next upcoming video. Thank you.